Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COHO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis before, although it's been a couple weeks since the last time I did it. But want to get things updated here, and I should note that this is kind of a tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere up around here and you wanted to sell within, 45 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart looks pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, then yeah, I get it. The price has pulled back from its highs, but from the big picture, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and they've actually been building a higher base, and as long as that continues, then yeah, from the big picture perspective, the bulls are still in full control, and I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you had probably more of a day trader type flipper perspective going into the your trade itself. So why do I say that the bulls are still in control? Well, it all revolves around, like I said, the bulls have not only been building a higher base, but they've been doing a very good job at it. So it's not like they've attempted to. They've actually built that higher base, and that sits right down here at 001. Now, sure, a couple of times the price temporarily was down below there, but all in all, I'm sure we can all agree that, yeah, this area down here as a general vicinity has clearly proven to be a good, solid area of support. And why is that so important? Well, again, from the big picture perspective, I'm not saying this will happen, but let's say that the price actually comes down here a few more times and flirts around this area before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have? Well, you'd have a big old set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture these as stair steps, then again, from the big picture perspective, you'd very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. A truly strong move over time is going to be making progress forward. And in this situation, that 001 point really seems to be that progress point that the bulls are working on chipping away and putting it in that higher stair step. Again, I fully realize if you're a flipper or a day trader and you bought somewhere up around there, then yeah, you couldn't care less about these overall stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be making these comments from a grander scheme type perspective. So sure, over the past few days, the price has pulled back, but think about that. Past few days, when you look at many days, which is what this chart is showing us, you can very clearly see the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base. So let's see if they can get that job done or not going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.